everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating captivating outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into one of the most serene and underrated features of landscape architecture, the shade rock garden. By definition, a shade rock garden is a carefully curated landscape feature that combines varying sizes of natural stones, rocks, or boulders with plants specifically adapted to low-light environments. Unlike traditional alpine rock gardens that bake in the scorching sun, a shade rock garden mimics the cool, damp, and sheltered conditions of a forest floor or a mountain ravine. It is a harmonious marriage of the hard elements of geology and the soft textures of woodland flora, creating a miniature ecosystem that feels both ancient and intentional. The benefits of installing a shade rock garden extend far beyond simple aesthetics. One of the primary advantages is the functional transformation of problem areas. In your yard where grass refuses to grow and colorful sun-loving flowers wither away. By embracing the shade, you reduce the need for constant mowing and chemical fertilizers, making this a highly sustainable and eco-friendly choice. Furthermore, the rocks act as a natural mulch, helping to retain moisture in the soil and regulating ground temperature, which protects delicate root systems from fluctuating weather. Beyond the practical, these gardens provide a profound psychological benefit. The combination of cool stone and lush greenery creates a calming Zen atmosphere that lowers stress and provides a quiet retreat from the heat of the summer months. To make your shade rock garden look truly professional and beautiful, you must focus on the interplay of texture and scale. Start by selecting stones that look like they belong in your local environment, avoiding overly polished or artificial-looking rocks. Arrange your boulders in odd-numbered clusters and bury them slightly into the soil so they appear as though they are emerging naturally from the earth. To enhance the visual appeal, create layers of height. Use taller ferns or shrubs in the back and creeping ground covers to spill over the edges of the stones. Incorporating a small water feature or a simple stone bird bath can add a focal point that reflects what little light reaches the area, while a winding gravel path can invite viewers to explore the space rather than just looking at it from a distance. Choosing the right plants is the secret to a thriving shade rock garden. Since you cannot rely on bright floral blooms to do the heavy lifting, you must prioritize foliage. Hostas are the undisputed kings of the shade, offering a massive variety of leaf colors from deep forest green to chartreuse and blue-gray. To add delicate texture, incorporate ferns like the Japanese painted fern or the maidenhair fern, which provide a soft contrast to the hard edges of the rocks. For a splash of color, bleeding hearts and astilbes offer elegant, drooping blooms that thrive in dappled light. Finally, don't forget ground covers like Irish moss or ajaga. These will crawl between the crevices of your stones, softening the landscape and creating that coveted, established look that makes your garden feel like a hidden piece of the wilderness. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best shade rock garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, the serene woodland path. This design features a winding gravel walkway flanked by large, weathered boulders and a lush carpet of succulents and low-growing alpine plants. The use of light-colored pebbles creates a river of stone, effect that brightens up the shaded area while guiding the eye through a diverse collection of textures, from spiky agaves to soft, rounded mosses. 2, the granite giant border. In this setup, massive granite boulders are used to create a naturalistic boundary between a manicured lawn and a dense woodland bed. The rocks are strategically placed to support a variety of shade-loving perennials like red and white astilbe, creating a rugged yet sophisticated look that adds significant vertical interest to a flat yard. 3. The hosta haven island. This idea focuses on a circular bed built around the base of a mature tree, utilizing smooth river stones to create a clean perimeter. Inside, a collection of multicolored hostas in varying sizes creates a dome of greenery, proving that you can achieve a high-impact, lush look using only a few species of plants perfectly suited for deep shade. For the Japanese maple rockery, highlighting a stunning purple Japanese maple, this design uses dark mulch and gray gravel paths to create a high-contrast masterpiece. The large, dark-toned rocks are clustered near the base of the tree to provide a sense of stability, while lime green forest grass adds a pop of neon color that glows even in the dimmest lighting. 5. The multi-level terrace slope. For yards with an incline, this design uses a stacked stone retaining wall to create distinct planting shelves. Each level is packed with a dense variety of foliage, including large-leafed ligularia and trailing ivy, turning a difficult-to-mow hillside into a vertical tapestry of green and yellow tones. 6. The vibrant flowering outcrop. This concept proves that shade gardens don't have to be just green. By nestling bright pink and orange flowering plants directly into the crevices of large, sandy-colored rocks, you create a desert oasis aesthetic that thrives in partial shade. It's a perfect example of using rocks as vases to highlight individual splashes of color. 7. The suburban stone edge. A practical yet beautiful solution for front yard landscaping. This design uses a wide border of crushed river rock and larger flagstones to line a concrete walkway. Drought-tolerant shade plants like heuchera provide a deep burgundy accent, while the stony texture provides a clean, modern transition from the sidewalk to the home. 8. The lush tropical rock slope. This expansive design mimics a tropical hillside, using huge, tan-colored boulders to anchor a variety of exotic-looking ferns and palms. The winding grass path provides a soft walking surface that contrasts beautifully with the rugged stone, making the entire backyard feel like a high-end resort or a botanical conservatory. 9. The Zen Buddha Grotto. Focusing on peace and meditation, this rock garden utilizes massive moss-covered stones and spiritual statuary to create a focal point. The placement of a stone bird bath and delicate white flowers creates a sense of movement and life, while the heavy use of rock provides a permanent, unchanging foundation for contemplation. 10. The purple creeping phlox mound. This stunning design uses spiller plants like purple and lavender creeping phlox to cascade over a mound of light gray stones. The result is a soft, cloud-like explosion of color that blankets the hard surfaces, creating a dreamlike landscape that looks incredible during the spring and summer months. Creating a shade rock garden is about more than just filling a gap in your yard. It's about discovering the hidden beauty of the shadows. Whether you have a small corner under an oak tree or a massive sloping backyard, these stone and plant combinations offer a timeless way to enhance your home's value and your own peace of mind. Remember, the best gardens are those that work with nature rather than against it. By choosing rocks and plants that thrive in the dark, you are building a landscape that will only get more beautiful with every passing year. If you found these ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly tips on transforming your outdoor spaces. We want to hear from you. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Leave a comment below and tell us about your own shade garden projects. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new design breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.